Hello everybody! In this short tutorial video I am going to show you how you can choose the document in which show all occurrences are displayed. So what I am talking about is that when you are using this feature to tap Strong's numbers, let's say I'm looking at Strong's number here, and then there is this find all occurrences. The question is now how to change in which document these are displayed. So this is a little bit non-obvious feature, but it is possible to change the document. So the document is coming from this window, meaning the last Bible document that has been opened in this links window. So you can change it by changing the document. Like now I have this links window active, as you see, and I am choosing here, for example, KJV. Now you see KJV was changed, but now I go to the first window back, and then there I am clicking these words again, and then clicking find all occurrences. And as you see here, the results are shown in KJV. I am sure there could be a better way to change the document. Maybe we should be making a feature request about making it more user-friendly. Maybe it could be from somewhere there that we could choose whatever document we want. But at the moment it is just like this. Thank you for watching this video. As always, I will put links in the description where you can support and Bible development financially. Bye bye.